welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a home vlog. I'm going to be organizing and decluttering. It's been raining the last couple of days here in Marmaris, finally, after months and months of just sun. I'm very happy about the rain, to be honest with you. But yeah, that also means that Aksel and I need to keep ourselves busy today in our home. Okay, so I want to do a few things today. I want to organize my jewelry. I ordered a new jewelry case, which I will be showing you in a second. And I also ordered a few organizing bits for my makeup drawer, for my makeup vanity, and then I also want to get some things done for Aksel, his birthday, because this weekend he will be turning 3 years old. Also, it feels like I didn't vlog in the longest time. The last time I vlogged was when my dad was here, and that was almost a month ago. And I also did my hair while he was here. I added some new highlights. I'm very happy with it. It's very bright, as you can see. But yes, I really hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. And I'm not going to wear any makeup because I want to take a nap later when Aksel naps, because he woke up about 5 or 6 times last night. So yeah, I'm also going to lay down later. But yeah, I really hope you guys will enjoy this little vlog. And I will be showing you guys now the new organizer that I got. So this is the new jewelry organizer that I ordered. I got it from Trendyol. It's this lovely beigey color. The quality is alright. It's not the best, as you can see. It's alright. But yeah, I want to put all of my rings in here. More of my fine jewelry. And maybe my Pandoras as well, my Pandora bracelets. So yeah, that I can grab them easily. As you can see, you've got 3 different drawers. See here, maybe I can fit some bracelets and necklaces, and here are my rings. So I also ordered these plastic organizers for my makeup drawer, but I figured if I have more like statement earrings, I can put them in these little ones. So I will just have a look what fits inside. I put the bigger ones in my makeup vanity. And then the smaller ones I will just keep for my jewelry. So yeah, that's the plan for today, to organize everything. I'm really on a organizing mode. I just want to declutter and organize everything for the fall. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I've got my little helper here with me. As you can see, I've got loads of jewelry from Reach Your Heart. This was previously gifted for a collaboration. And I'm going to put all of the rings in here so they're nice and organized. Okay, so I put some rings and some earrings in here, also some necklaces, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in here or in the next drawer. Yeah, I will have a look. Okay, that's a major fail. I just want to open the middle drawer and it already breaks. Like, oh my gosh, yeah, I think I can fix it, but still the quality is not great. I'm not happy about that. Yeah, okay, let's keep going, and I will ask my husband to glue this on because, oh my gosh, look at that. All right. So I also got here my Pandora necklace. They recommended storing it in a Ziploc bag like this if you're not wearing it too often, so the metal stays nice. So I think I'm just going to store it in the Ziploc bag. Let's see if I can make that any smaller. Okay, so I'm going to store this in the last drawer. So let's see, my other Pandora jewelry. No. Does this fit? Yeah, it does fit.
That's sweet.
Yeah. I have another clip right here.
Kijk eens, mama.
Ja. Oh, dat is mooi.
Wat staat?
Dat is ook een armband.
Een armband?
Yeah.
Ja.
That's not going to fit.
Ja.
No, the bangle is not going to fit. Okay, so I just put 4 of my bracelets in here. It does look really nice. And the other bracelet, the other bangle, I put with the necklace because it doesn't fit in here. So yeah, and I will put some more jewelry in these little spaces. Okay, so I'm slowly getting there. We just got a power cut because of the bad weather, I guess. But I've put all of my studs, rings in here, some necklaces, some bracelets, my Pandora bracelets, my hoop earrings, some statement earrings and more statement earrings. And then I'm going to put the other things for now in here. And yeah, I still have some things left, so let's do that. Okay, so that took way longer than I anticipated. I'm going to get rid of lots of jewelry, like old things. And then I organized everything in here. As you can see, some stud earrings, necklaces. So yeah, my Pandora bracelets and yeah, lots of other things. And then in the last drawer, I got more statement earrings, more Pandora jewelry. So that's how I organized it at the moment. Maybe I will change it up later again. But yeah, really happy that I've done it now. I've put some other bigger pieces and my watches and all of that in some other drawers. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. So we're having a little break. We're having some Turkish yogurt with granola. Aksel also really likes it. And I think after his nap, I will continue with the makeup drawer. Okay, so Aksel is still napping and this is my next project. All of my makeup. As you can see, I have everything in these little toiletry bags, makeup bags. And I'm going to put everything in these organizers. So yeah, let's see what fits inside. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it doesn't open any further than this. So my husband needs to take a look at it. And yeah, let's see what fits. Okay, so I put it like this and then I leave this bit open for some bigger palettes. Maybe I'm going to put my face bits in here, powders, maybe bronzers, blushes and some eye products, lip products. Okay, so blushes, highlighters, bronzers, some more face palettes and foundation and concealer. Aksel just woke up from his nap, and as you can see, I almost got everything full. I've got here my lip glosses, liners, mascaras, palettes, some lip products in the bag as well. My husband really need to take a look at this because I don't understand, it doesn't open. In here I have powders, highlighters, what I'm reaching for a lot. And then, oh yeah, I need to show you guys this later. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to put in here. Maybe some skincare or other face palettes. Yeah, I will have a look. But I'm first going to make us some lunch. Okay, so it's all done. I've got all of my eyeshadow palettes. This is not really organized yet, but they're in. My mascaras, lip products, lip glosses, lipsticks, powders, face products. Then in here I've got some products that I reach for a lot. So some blushes, powders, bronzers. Then in here I've got my face products. Really nice eye cream that I recently got. I will film a haul of the things that I got recently. So yeah, I will share that with you in another video. Yeah, and this random eyeshadow palette that I use all the time. So yeah, everything is nice and organized. And in here I've got all my empties and the things that I get rid of. Some old makeup and things. So yeah, I will film that also for you soon. Okay, Aksel is sleeping. It's been a while since I last filmed. So I'm going to apply a new night cream that I really love. This is from VIVAIA. And I'm also going to apply a new eye serum. And I never used the eye serum. But I really love this one. This is from Yves Rocher. It's called the Rishi Cream. It's called the Comforting Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. So I'm first going to apply a little bit of that. Okay, my battery died, but the eye cream feels very soft and also kind of fresh. And then after I'm applying this night cream. But yeah, Aksel is turning 3 this weekend, which is crazy. And yeah, we're going to throw him a small birthday party. And I wanted to share with you guys this new perfume that I got from Lattafa, and it's called Eclair. And this is the perfect fall and winter perfume. It's such an amazing vanilla scent. It's a very like tonic kind of fragrance. It stays on my skin for the longest time. Like honestly, it's amazing. Again, I will share this with you in a beauty haul that I'm going to film. But yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys already. I think I will finish this bottle up this winter because it's just that good. So if you're looking for a new vanilla caramel kind of fragrance, definitely very gourmand, this is it.